guys, welcome to Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji, your favorite destination in the world of gadgets, जहाँ पे हम एक 360 डिग्री अप्रोच के साथ में पता लगाते हैं कि कौन से गैजेट्स नए आ रहे हैं, कौन से आपके लिए एक्साइटिंग है और कौन से नए फीचर्स ये अपने साथ में लेके आ रहे हैं। आज इस एपिसोड के अंदर भी मेरे पास में आपके लिए बहुत अमेजिंग इनक्रेडिबल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, काफी ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है, जहाँ पे वी हैव अ कार, वी हैव अ लैपटॉप एंड वी हैव मेनी मोर टू एक्सप्लोर। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट गौरव एके टेक्निकल गुरुजी। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीक शो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So guys, in the world of gadgets, we had so much of action this week, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग अपडेट्स हैं। बेसिकली नथिंग ने अनाउंस कर दिया है that the phone 2 is launching on 11th of July. फाइनली आफ्टर लॉन्ग वेट मेटा जो है वो अभी एआई पे काम कर रहा है। दे जस्ट बॉट इन अ न्यू एआई पावर्ड म्यूजिक जनरेटर विच इज कॉल्ड म्यूजिक जेन। आइको इज कमिंग अप विद अ न्यू फोन विच इज द Neo 7 Pro लॉन्चिंग ऑन 4th of July। कैनन ने इनफैक्ट एक लॉन्च कर दिया है वीआर वाला कैमरा। कहते हैं कि ये एक प्रोटोटाइप कैमरा है फॉर कंज्यूमर्स टू कैप्चर दोस 360 वीडियोज। व्हाट्सएप जो है नए अपडेट्स लेके आ गया है, जहां पे अभी इफ यू आर यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप बीटा ऑन विंडोज यू कैन शेयर योर स्क्रीन ड्यूरिंग वीडियो कॉल्स। सैमसंग अगेन इज ब्रिंगिंग इन न्यू मॉनिटर्स, अल्ट्रा वाइड एंगल मॉनिटर्स फॉर गेमिंग, बिकॉज लॉन्च हो गया है नया Odyssey G9 OLED गेमिंग मॉनिटर। एंड टॉकिंग ऑफ गेम्स, F1 आ चुका है विच इज द लेटेस्ट F1 2023 एंड देन वी हैव Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Warzone Season 4. Let's catch some trivia because gadgets की दुनिया इतनी exciting है। There's so much to learn, so much to kind of amaze us at times. Last week हमने बात किया था Apple के लोगो के बारे में, and we had no idea कि Apple का जो original logo था वो कैसा था। Now we have this kind of Apple जो आधा खाया हुआ है। But guys, did you know कि Google's actual name in the beginning was not really Google? I mean today I don't know how many times in a day we use this word Google, but actually the first name in the beginning was Backrub. I'm not sure what Sergey Brin and Larry Page were thinking at the time. अच्छा हुआ कि नाम बदल के Google रख लिया। हर रोज बोलते जाके बैकअप कर लो, मजा थोड़ा ना आता। Guys, our big story of the week is this huge BMW i7, and I must say this by far is the biggest gadget running on wheels, and this gives us the best blend of tech and auto. Electric car, all-wheel drive, amazing power, amazing performance, huge set of luxury inside. Let's go and have some fun. Now this is amazing. Guys, what an amazing feeling in this BMW i7. I mean, there's something about electric cars which kind of, gives you this instant power response. The drive is fantastic. The driving dynamics are all iconic BMW, and ये experience बहुत unique है. And I mean, I'm liking the interior as well. The way it's decorated in terms of, Swarovski crystals all around. The screens are nice and big with all the information right in front of my eyes. AC vents, in fact, यहाँ पे छुपे हुए हैं. I can't see the vents. I can feel the air coming out. I can feel the car getting cooler, but the vents are actually quite sleek and they are just kind of hidden in a way. तो ये पूरा जो experience है in this BMW i7, I must say is completely amazing. The way I can just go zoop there is something about it. There is truly something about it. The way this car behaves. So guys, I think these features are by default in the i7, and it shows us that kind of luxury that we get in this car. And it's not just about automatic opening and closing doors, it's way beyond this, because inside I see in front of me a world full of tech. Basically इस गाड़ी में total 5 screens हैं, जिसमें से 2 सामने हैं. The first one being this wide screen 12.3 inches high-res information cluster giving all the important things right in front of my eyes. इसी के साथ में it's paired with a very high-res heads-up display, again providing all the vital information right in front of me while I'm driving. साथ में we have again a wide screen and this is 14.9 inches. ये जो screen है यहाँ पे we have all the options. I mean starting from basics like wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, but उसके otherwise भी यहाँ पे we can control this car and adjust all possible settings. But the best part is कि यहाँ पे बीच में we have again physical controls as well, because at times you do not want to touch the screen while driving, so you can all do that in this console. And the best part is the way this car is decorated. I mean you can see Swarovski crystal all across पूरे dashboard में, and this is all functional. I mean you can have I don't know how many types of ambient lighting options in this car. If I just press the hazard button, you can see it all coming along. So guys, you must be thinking that I am kind of in a 7 Series and this is where all the fun should be, basically in the back seat. And actually you're right, because this is the place. You just need to press couple of buttons. Side में हमारे पास में है 5.5 inches वाले ये दो display on both the sides, and this basically controls everything from your seats and even the seats, they have got massage features. They are all climate controlled, so if you want seat to be hot or cold, you can do that. Apart from seats, we have control for the blinds. You can completely control the interior lighting from here. Then we have controls for this theater screen. We have different modes. You can basically control all important aspects of this car from this screen, which is part of the door now. And speaking of door, just press one button. The door opens automatically. It closes as well, by the way. And basically, just by touch of this button, let me make myself comfortable first. So this is like how I like to roll, kind of equivalent of the best of the first or business class seats globally, and this is all just in your car. By the way, that's not all. हमको एक बटन और दबाना है, and because we have different modes, let me go into the theater mode because we want to watch something. If I press this button, okay. Guys, this is what I call the theater mode, and in front of me I have a wide screen 8K display. The size is exactly 31.3 inches, and I mean, given my position, given the comfort of this car, I would say this is the best place to enjoy your favorite content. And because this is all powered by Amazon's Fire TV, you have access to all your apps, all your favorite stuff, all online. कितना मज़ा आने वाला है यहाँ पे with this कंपनी. आप बैठो आराम से, गाड़ी चल रही है और शायद फ्यूचर में गाड़ी अपने आप भी चल सकती है, और यहाँ पे हम बस मज़े से बैठे हुए एंजॉय करेंगे हमारे फेवरेट कंटेंट को. So guys, that's all about the latest BMW i7. I mean, this car will give you performance of a sports car along with the best possible luxuries available for up to a range of 625 kilometers. And once you are done with that, यहाँ पे हमारे पास में दो options हैं. We can have AC charging up to 11 kilowatts, or in fact DC charging up to 195 kilowatts. So basically, once you charge this car, again a range of up to 625 kilometers with all the thrill and all the luxury. By the way, मेरे को चार्जिंग से ही याद आता है एक ऐसा सवाल, बेसिकली एक ऐसी मिथ जो हमारे चारों तरफ फैली है, आई डोंट नो कब से. एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज अबाउट आवर फोन्स बीइंग चार्ज्ड ओवरनाइट. आई मीन एट टाइम्स हमको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर हमने रात भर फोन को चार्ज में लगा दिया है तो सुबह होते होते मे बी द बैटरी इज गोना ब्लास्ट, मे बी द फोन विल इनकर अ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम. बट लेट मी टेल यू, ऐसा नहीं होता है. I mean, there was a time, when we had kind of dumb phones with dumb batteries, तो शायद हो सकता था. But today, given how smart all our smartphones are, even if you charge your phone overnight, which even I do, nothing's gonna happen because there are lots of safety things in place. So आपका phone या आपकी बैटरी दोनों बिल्कुल safe रहने वाले हैं. Guys, finally here we have it, the all new MacBook Air in this 15 inches size, and ये वो लैपटॉप है जो सब लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आने वाला है, considering when Apple launched this at the WWDC कीनोट के टाइम पे ही ना बहुत लोगों ने बहुत शोर मचाया था द मोमेंट दे गॉट टू नो कि नाउ द मैकबुक एयर इज आल्सो अवेलेबल इन दिस बिग फॉर्म फैक्टर. द रीजन इज इन द एंटायर एप्पल लाइनअप जितने भी मैकबुक्स हैं सबकी पहली पसंद और सबसे ज्यादा बिकने वाला जो लैपटॉप है इट इज ऑफ कोर्स द मैकबुक एयर फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस. बट प्रॉब्लम वाज कि द साइज वाज लिमिटेड ओनली टिल 13 इंचेस और अगर उससे बड़ा साइज का लैपटॉप किसी को चाहिए देन द ओनली ऑप्शंस लेफ्ट वर द प्रो लाइनअप. बट अभी हमारे पास में वी हैव दिस MacBook Air. The screen is a 15.3 inches diagonal display. It packs all the power of Apple's M2. The form factor is super sleek. The weight is 3.3 pounds, which equates to 1.5 kilograms. And by the look of it, you won't feel कि ये इतना हल्का होने वाला है. But the moment you pick it up, you'll be like, what is this? As according to Apple, is right now the world's thinnest and lightest 15 inches वाला laptop, जो कि ये है. As in the name, it says MacBook Air. मजे की बात कि यहाँ पे we are getting even more than what the 13 inches used to offer because now we have a all new 6 speaker system for even immersive audio. Battery life is going up to 18 hours, which is a lot. 18 घंटे की बैटरी तो है बट HR ना करेगी कभी आपका दिन जो है आपका वर्क डे जो है वो 18 घंटे का हो जाए. बट अगर हो जाए still you can pass it with just one charge. Talking of charge and ports, we have this MagSafe port. साइड में हमारे पास में 2 Thunderbolt ports हैं in the shape of this USB-C connection. इस तरफ this is one of the few last Apple products जहाँ पे अभी भी हमको एक headphone jack मिल जाता है. So guys, this is the all new MacBook Air in this kind of big screen size. The advantage is कि यहाँ पे even the base variant it gets a complete full-fledged 10-core GPU. So the M2 chip comes with 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU. The base variant has 8GB RAM along with 256GB storage, and the pricing starts at 1,34,900 rupees. This laptop I can easily recommend to people who want kind of this lightweight kind of a laptop जिसको वो everyday use करें for all their tasks, maybe even editing some videos or using Photoshop and stuff. This laptop is completely capable of doing all that and for long and long and long because battery बहुत लंबी है यार. So this is the all new MacBook Air in 15 inches. So guys, let's move in the field of gaming now because आपको पता है कि यार gadgets are getting so powerful कि हम सभी latest games को अच्छे से enjoy कर पाएं. And this game that Xbox just showcased is a game changer altogether. इसके नाम में स्टार है. The game is Starfield and this game was in making for 25 long years. सोचो यार 25 साल मेहनत करके they developed this game and this game would be I think a star performer given the kind of graphics we have all in 4K. and जब ये game आने वाला है सितंबर में I have huge expectations. By the way, you can enjoy this game on your PCs, on the latest Xbox Series S and Series X consoles. अब ऐसी Starfield को बनने में तो 25 साल लगे हैं, बहुत लंबा इंतजार था, बट आपको इंतजार बहुत थोड़ा सा करना है because I'm going to meet you after the break जहाँ पे हम बात करने वाले हैं about even more gadgets and answering some of your questions. See you on the other side. Guys, welcome back to Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji, your favorite gadget show because we have this unique 360 degrees approach in the field of gadgets. और यहाँ पे ना we don't miss a corner. आपका बहुत बार जो है ये शायद मन में सवाल आता होगा, आप कभी पूछते होंगे, जवाब शायद सही से मिल नहीं पाता होगा. The hottest question right now in the field of gadgets is which is the best smartphone? और basically I would say what are the best smartphones because बहुत सारे हैं in the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. And I'm gonna give you 3 of my favorite options because ये तीनों ही phones बहुत अच्छे हैं in their respective domains. जहाँ पे सबसे पहले we have this, the all new Motorola Edge 40. And guys, I must tell you this phone is super sleek, feels super light in hand, yet it packs a lot. हमारे पास में है Dimensity 8020 processor. We got this very sleek design with a metal frame. हमारे पास में सामने this phone gives us 144 Hz curved OLED screen. It has this good dual cam setup, no extra those time wasters, depth and macro cameras. यहाँ पे ये phone काफी unique बन जाता है because maybe the only phone in the segment to come with IP67 rating, which simply means that your phone becomes dust and water resistant. At the same time, this also offers us wireless charging. मेरे ख्याल से, I mean, if you have a budget of around 30,000 rupees, this Moto Edge 40, I can easily recommend, enjoy this phone. Now moving ahead, अगर आप एक Samsung के fan हैं तो this phone would be for you. It is the latest Samsung Galaxy F54 5G, and again this phone packs some unique features in this price bracket because this phone comes with a 108 megapixels camera, again powered by OIS. So आपके जो shots हैं, अगर आप दिन में photos खींच रहे हैं, clicking low light shots and all, they all go amazing. This phone has again the Samsung's iconic Super AMOLED Plus screen, quite big, again coming with 120 Hz refresh rate for all kind of immersive usage sessions. Powering this phone, we have a 6000 mAh battery. तो अगर आपकी HR ने दिन लंबा बना ही दिया है, so I mean MacBook Air तो साथ निभाएगा ही आपका, but ये फोन भी काफी लंबा चलेगा. So this phone again coming right under 30,000 rupees is definitely a good recommendation from my side, and I mean one of the best options in the market right now. And now my recommendation for all you gamers out there, guys, this is the iQOO's Neo 7, and again this phone has everything you want. Got the Dimensity 8200 processor, we got a 120 Hz AMOLED screen, and we also got a 120 watts fast charging system. So basically even in this phone performance is right at its peak. And guys, my honest recommendation, अभी अगर आप एक नया phone ले रहे हैं, this is I think the best time to buy a new phone in this price bracket because we're getting some amazing features. I mean, why would you want to spend lakhs for a flagship if you can get these good features in this budget? And right now 30,000 rupees का जो price bracket है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा popularity gain कर चुका है. We got some amazing options from the likes of Motorola, Samsung and iQOO, and I think ये सभी जो options हैं आपके सवाल को clearly answer करेंगे. तो गाइज हम आ गए हैं इस एपिसोड के मेरे फेवरेट सेक्शन की तरफ, और क्योंकि यहाँ पे कार भी मेरी फेवरेट थी, आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू इट इनसाइड द कार एंड टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस ह्यूज थिएटर डिस्प्ले दैट वी हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. एंड यहाँ पे पहला सवाल है फ्रॉम मोहम्मद एहतशामुद्दीन, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच इज द बेस्ट एंड्रॉइड फोन इन द मार्केट. ब्रो, देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस एंड द पॉइंट इज देयर इज नॉट रियली अ सिंगल फोन व्हिच आई कैन से दैट इज द बेस्ट एंड्रॉइड फोन, बिकॉज इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू नीड. Sometimes maybe you would want a phone which is kind of a budget phone with a big battery. Maybe that's the best phone for you, or maybe for someone who needs a good camera there would be some other answer. So यहाँ पे the point is आपको ये देखना है कि आपकी requirements क्या हैं, आपका budget क्या है, what exactly you want your phone to do good, and then you come to a device which maybe becomes the best phone for you. इतने सारे phones की अलग अलग KSPs हैं, so you need to choose well and then decide.
Hey TG, myself Anshu, and I saw your last episode. It was fun and interesting. As we know that the tech world is evolving a lot, so my question for you is how to cope up with the latest technological trends.
Nice question, Anshu, but then again an obvious answer that you need to stay tuned to watch your favorite show of gadgets, which is Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji, and of course you can't miss Tech with TG as well. तो आप ये दोनों shows देखते रहिए, आप रहेंगे हमेशा updated to know what's happening all around you in the world of tech, in the world of gadgets. And by the way, I'll just give you one more extra add-on here. There's a competition going on organized by the Ministry of Home Affairs and I4C, and this is to spread even more awareness about cyber things around us, and the competition is for cyber reel and cyber meme. So if you think you are a creator, you want to participate, go ahead, do that. आप जीत के प्राइज जीत सकते हैं. और वैसे यहाँ पे in this show I would say everyone is a winner. We all viewers, creators, we all kind of fall in the same group, and for that we have the email address which is tg@ndtv.com. आप जाके आपकी सारी मन की बातें, सवाल, सुझाव, feedbacks, everything, just drop in that email. I'm gonna read it all, and next week again I'm gonna come up with something amazing from the world of gadgets. I must tell you, we have some cool stuff coming on. अगले एपिसोड में आपसे मिलता हूँ. That's all for this time. Thank you. Have a good day.